Hello, and thank you for your time and consideration in sharing your stories about M-CHS and why you think it's great, what makes it special to you. I want to give you a short little tutorial on how to record your video and submit it to the Google form. There are a number of ways that you can record the video. If you know how to do that on your phone, you're welcome to use that. If you want to use Zoom, you can do that as well. But I'm going to show you the web recorder that we have included on our Google form. So let me share my screen. All right, so this is the form. This link right here will take you to webcamera.io, which looks like this. And inside of this, you'll see your web camera. It'll start to collect video. You're just going to click record here. You're going to record your video and say all the great things you want to say. Make sure that you introduce yourself. And then as long or as short as you want it to be is just fine. When you're finished with your video, you'll click the stop button. It's going to process your video. You're going to click save. And then it'll save it down here on your device. It'll automatically save it. Now, I'm using Chrome, so Chrome by default brings that file right down here. It's really easy to find. If you're using a different browser, different browsers handle downloads in different ways, but it's just downloading it. You can click on this little peak right here, and go to Show in Folder. Excuse me. And it'll show you where your device or where your video is. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Google form. I'm going to click on Add File. And it's going to just ask me to drag that file right here. So I'm going to open up that folder again. And I'm going to drag that file up here. It's going to take it a moment to upload the file. And I'm just going to click Upload. And that's it. Then it'll upload. You'll see it right here in this form right here. You'll click Agree and you'll click Submit and you're done. That's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our contact information is in the Google form. Thanks so much for your time, and thanks for sharing your story about what makes M-CHS great.